Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and doing well. Okay students, what are the properties of real numbers? The properties of real numbers always exist on two operations, that is addition and multiplication. Alright, some of these properties we have done separately. Now this is the overview of all the properties of real numbers. The first property is closure property. Now what is closure property? The sum, difference or product of two real numbers is also a real number. Whenever we add two real numbers, whenever we subtract two real numbers, or whenever we multiply two real numbers, the answer which we get, that is always a real number. The second property is commutative property. Now what the commutative property is? Changing the order of numbers does not change the result, whether we add 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. In both the conditions we get the answer 5. So it means that the commutative property is a plus b is equals to b plus a. A, b and c all are our real numbers. And whenever we multiply any two real numbers, we get the same answer. So a into b is equals to b into a. For example, 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. In both the conditions, we get the same answer. So this is commutative property. Now the third property, which is associative property. What the associative property is? We have three real numbers a, b and c. Changing the grouping does not change the result. A plus b plus c or a plus b plus c. It doesn't matter that whether we make the group of first two terms or we make the group of last two terms. Whether it is multiplication or addition, in both the conditions, grouping does not change the result. Alright, this is associative property. Now comes towards distributive property. What distributive property is? Multiplication is distributed over addition and subtraction. See, here we have a is multiplying with b plus c. As we all know BODMAS rule, whenever we have two terms in the bracket, first of all we solve brackets. So b plus c, the answer, we will multiply the answer with a, or a into b plus a into c. In both the conditions we get the same answer. Or whether it is distributive property over subtraction, b minus c, the answer b minus c will be multiplied with a, or a into b minus a into c, we get the same answer in both the conditions. Means left hand side will always be equals to right hand side. Now we have the fifth property, additive identity. Now what is additive identity? Whenever we add 0 with any real number, we get the same answer of that number. Alright, so a plus 0 is equals to a, or 0 plus a is equals to a. Means whenever we add 0 with any real number, we get the same real number as an answer. Now the multiplicative identity. Now what is multiplicative identity? The multiplicative identity, whenever we multiply 1 with any real number, we get the same answer, means the same real number. So a multiplied by 1 is equals to a, or 1 multiplied by a is equals to a. So it means that the additive identity is 0 and the multiplicative identity is 1. Now come towards additive inverse. Now what is additive inverse? Like in additive identity, the number which we add is 0. So the additive inverse means that answer should come 0. So what is the number we take? If we have a real number a, so we will take negative of a as additive inverse, that we will get the answer 0. When we add a with negative of a, we will get the answer 0. Same as in multiplicative inverse property, the answer should be 1. So whenever we have a, we will take the reciprocal of that a. So when we will cancel the values, a will be cancelled with a, so we will get the answer 1. So it means if we have the number 2 by 3, so what will be the reciprocal of 2 by 3? The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So the values will be cancelled and we will get the answer 1. So these are the properties of real number which we have done separately. So if you have any confusion, you can ask, and please like and subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video, inshallah. Allah Hafiz, students.